Intentional living. Reduce digital clutter. It's the modern era with modern methodologies, and we are modern people who make use of these things modernly. On the other hand, these things might affect your mental health without you realizing it. Number 1. Social media. People think that it's cool to have a lot of followers or friends on social media, but it, in fact, eats up simplicity. You lose track of what's important and what's not, and this may waste your time on unwanted things. Only add your close friends and family, this will carry the burden off of your shoulders and you will enjoy using social media instead of taking it as a problem. Number 2. Mobile home screen. What's the most used thing in your life? You got it. It's your mobile phone without a doubt. We use our mobiles at any hour of the day, and it has become a necessary evil for us. We can use this to our benefit, and make our lives easier. But for that, our mobile phone needs to be organized too. Organize your applications by folders and reduce the litter. This will give a healthy impact whenever you open up your screen to check the time or call someone you dearly love. Number 3. Avoid unnecessary screen time. We have got numerous devices for our comfort, pleasure, and entertainment. These all may provide you mental satisfaction, but in return, they also harm your health physically. Try to reduce your screen time as much as possible, and rather than giving your precious time to the telly, go out, get some fresh air, hang out with friends, and enjoy your life the best way possible.
If you gained value from the information, please be sure to share this with others, provide your reactions in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you and want to keep you educated. A positive and fulfilling life is at your fingertips. It's possible for you, and we want to help you on your journey.